Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi di channel Bisa Kubutuh ya. Oke bosku, jika kalian punya kaleng seperti ini ya, jangan dulu dibuang bosku, karena masih banyak fungsi lain dari kaleng tersebut bosku. Oke, salah satunya saya akan buat sesuatu yang bermanfaat bagi kebutuhan rumah kita bosku. Oke, jangan lupa subscribe ya bosku. Terima kasih. Oke, kita mulai saja bosku. Untuk alat dan bahannya yang harus disiapkan adalah kaleng bekas, meteran, mesin bor ya bosku. Kalau tidak ada bisa pakai paku dan palu bosku. Tang rivet ya. Kalau tidak ada paku rivetnya boleh menggunakan baut kecil dan muk kecil. Nah ini paku rivet ya bosku, dan mata bor nomor 3,5 bosku. Dan ini yang paling penting bosku, bahan yang utama adalah roda troli ukuran 2 in bosku. Oke, kita eksekusi. Oke, selamat menyaksikan. Jangan lupa kopinya disiapkan bosku untuk menemani kalian menonton video ini bosku.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.